welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been so long since I have filmed a video, and hopefully, I really do hope this is a comeback for me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pierce your ear / cartilage, because in the previous video that got so famous, it's just the cringiest video I ever watched. It's a big no for me. I can't even. Bosses that I used to do that, don't do what I used to do. No. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the proper and actual way to pierce your ear / cartilage. Quick disclaimer before I forget, this is not how to pierce your ear. This is a video of me piercing my ear, and you guys could get an idea on how to pierce your ear. So what you actually need for the procedure is a 16 gauge hollow needle, 100% sterilized, and obviously your earrings, a clamp just to hold on to your ear and like so you can pierce it easily, and just some alcohol pads. I got my clamp, so I just place it on the place that I want to pierce my ear with the needle and just like pinch it, and it's an easy procedure, trust me, not painful. We'll just go for it. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, I got the needle through. Ow! So you just get the needle through and get your piercing, the one that you want to use, place it and let it slide through the ear. Okay, so I just slid the needle through the ear with the earring, and I'm going to be locking it. Okay, just twist the ball on the other side. This is how the results are. I think it looks pretty, but like the earrings is a bit big. I think I'm gonna change the earring once it heals and all. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big like and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully soon I'll be doing more piercing videos, because since I've done a lot of researches and like I've been practicing and doing piercings and all of that, I'm going to be performing piercings on myself and have like more piercing videos and like talking videos about piercings and all of that, because I'm very into it. See you all later. Have a good day, y'all. Bye.